Schistosomiasis is the most common cause of bladder calcification. On X-ray, fetal head in pelvis is seen, and sandy patches are seen on cystoscopy. Increased risk of squamous cell carcinoma and transitional cell carcinoma. Matuating cystourethropy is done for posterior urethral structure, and retrograde cystourethropy is done for anterior urethral structure. Left atrium is the most common source of embolus in patients with atrial fibrillation. Braham sign. This is performed when arteriovenous fistula is suspected. A pressure on the artery proximal to the fistula will cause reduction in the size of swelling, disappearance of Drew, fall in PR. Thoracic outlet syndrome involves compression of brachial plexus, subclavian vein, subclavian artery. Herniatomy is done in patients with patent processus vaginalis in case of congenital hydrocele. Swimmer's itch and Katayama fever is observed in schistosomiasis. Posterior lateral wall of trigone is the most common site of CA bladder. Most common malignancy in infancy and most common intra-abdominal malignancy in childhood is neuroblastoma. Hauschildt-Romberg sign. Obturated nerve neuropathy due to compression of it by an obturated hernia. Pain and paresthesia along the inner aspect of the thigh down to the knee. Inner thigh pain on internal rotation of the hip. Most common type of hernia in female is indirect inguinal hernia. Mayow's repair is done for umbilical hernia. Indication for surgery is when it persists beyond 5 years. Intraperitoneal only mesh repair is done for incisional hernia. Hepatic adenoma is found in young women with pregnancy on OCP or anabolic steroids. Light bulb appearance on MRI is characteristic of hepatic hemangioma. Arterography shows cotton wool appearance. Portosystemic anastomosis sites are lower esophagus, upper anal canal, umbilical, pale area of liver, patent ductus venosus, retroperitoneum. Intrahepatic pre-sinusoidal cause of portal hypertension is schistosomiasis. Membranous obstruction of inferior vena cava is the most common cause of Budd-Chiari syndrome. Most common malignancy of spleen is non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Most common post-splenectomy infection is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Chronic hematological effects of splenectomy are anisocytosis, poikilocytosis, Howell jelly bodies, Heinz bodies, basophilic stripping, and nuclear erythrocytes. Immediately after splenectomy, leukocytosis and thrombocytosis occurs. Phrenicocholic ligament prevents the downward displacement of spleen. Left lower lobe atelectasis is the most common complication of splenectomy. Splenosis refers to rupture of spleen and distribution of its tissues to the peritoneum. Autosplenectomy is seen in sickle cell anemia, while autonephrectomy is seen in renal tuberculosis. That's it. Thank you.